My family asks me to make this recipe every week. To start, in a bowl, add 2 ounces of pineapple-flavored gelatin, 8 US fluid ounces of hot water. Mix everything very well. That's perfect. Now, pour 8 US fluid ounces of cold water and mix again. Grease a mold with oil, spreading it evenly with the help of a brush. Then pour the gelatin we prepared. Refrigerate for 2 hours. With the help of a knife, make cuts to form small squares. Now, using a spatula, unmold everything. In a blender, add 2 ounces of pineapple-flavored gelatin and 8 US fluid ounces of water. Cover the blender and blend everything well for about 1 minute. Add 14 ounces of heavy cream. Cover again and blend for 2 more minutes. Look how beautiful this cream is turning out. In a mold greased with oil, pour the gelatin squares we prepared. After that, add the cream we blended, alternating between the squares and the cream until the entire mold is filled. Refrigerate for another 2 hours. And just like that, our delicious passion fruit mosaic dessert is ready. It's definitely worth making this recipe. I'm already cutting a piece here to show you how delicious it is. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like our video. If you're not yet part of our channel, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our creations. See you next time.